friends, it is the best day of the week. It is a fixed day. It is also a Friday evening, so a great opportunity to have a little happy hour drink before we get fully into our weekends. So let's start off with the first two pieces I'm wearing from this fix. First off, I have on this faux suede moto jacket by Eden Society. This, I believe, is new to Stitch Fix. It is $80. It's in a purple color. So things I like about it is buttery soft. It actually is a nice indoor jacket because it almost fits like a shirt. It is not lined, so just know that. I like the idea of a purple jacket. I wish it was like a little bit more vibrant or maybe kind of almost lavender purple. This is a little dark, but it is cute. Let me do a spin. And you know, $80 is not bad. A lot of jackets are over 100 on our Stitch Fix site. All right, next item I have on, and I'm going to take off my jacket to show you, is a little white sweater. Let me back up. By Steve Madden. So it is a cotton polyester blend. Obviously it has some poof sleeves and some cute kind of embroidery detail. It is a sweetheart neckline, and it definitely is a little lower than I would probably wear to work. It's also cropped, or at least right to the waist. This is $79. I think this is cute. I think I'd be tugging on it all the time because there is almost like a little strip of skin showing between me and my pant here. I'll do a quick spin so you can see the back. I jokingly am calling this the Carolyn sweater. I am friends with Carolyn over in Carolyn Her Clothes, and she loves this style sweater. For reference, I'm 5'10", and 80 pounds more than her. She is like 5'2", 5'3", very petite, extra small. And so she likes the crop look because this would just be a normal length on her. And we both work out at the same gym, so she likes things that are nice and fitted and shows off all that hard work. Anyway, so I don't think I'll get this, but I think it's cute. And Carolyn, if I find this in your extra small size, it's definitely coming your way because I think you'll like it. All right, next I have on the sleeveless crochet sweater by Bobeau. And okay, so there are some cute things about this. This is also new to our inventory. So of course, I do think this crochet is beautiful. I do like this is classic. They call it beige, but it almost looks kind of like a cream or off-white. My friend Carolyn again said sweater vest are in, so I was kind of trying that trend with this. You definitely could layer it or wear it without that. I think what's throwing me off is this neckline is kind of high, and I don't know if I like this black contrast on this high neckline. Also too, so this is a black crochet underneath it. So it does create a decent sized armhole, but I just don't know if I like that. Let me do a spin. Like I said, there is some really pretty details on this. I just don't think this neckline and the contrast are working for me. But if you're intrigued, $58 I think is a pretty good price. All right, we'll keep going. All right, I'm already to our last two pieces. This fix is just flying by. So I have on, let me back all the way up. This is a tribal skort in off-white. I believe this is $58. Let me check my price tag here. Yes, size 12. I actually own a skort by this brand, and I do like it. It has real pockets. It is comfortable. I do like the shorts underneath. So I'm taking a tropical vacation soon, so I thought it might be a cute thing to throw in, and I think white is kind of chic and fun for vacation. Come a little closer. It's pull on. Let me do a quick spin. Lots of good stretch. So this could be useful. I have to consider what I'm packing for my trip. All right, last item actually is probably my favorite item in this fix. And again, Carolyn was like, you should try these. So I did. I kind of let her help me pick my fix. I was texting her like, what's something I don't own? And she's like, heels. So I was like, okay, fine. This is a neutral leather heel by Violets in Red. She actually owns it in black. But I think nude is great for lighter colors and for the summer. So it's a really comfortable shoe, a lot of nice padding. I do think this crisscrossy strap detail is nice. Helps kind of keep it on your foot. And also it's really comfortable and flattering. I don't like a real close to the ankle strap because it just doesn't look good on my foot. All right, guys, so let's just look at the full prices on all these items and talk about it for a second. I've got my sheets. So this entire fix should be $374. I think it's a little higher because a jacket and leather shoes. I get an employee discount of 40%, which is a smidge higher than the buy 5 of 25% for clients. So it'd be $224.40. I don't think either of the sweaters work. The white one's super cute, but it just felt too short. Like there's just not enough fabric between here and here for my tall torso. The crochet one, I did not like that black contrast crew neck. I do like the mauve jacket. I have a lot of motos, and again, I wasn't like totally in love with the color on that. The treble skort is nice. I might consider that if I think it'll work on my cruise wardrobe. And then, of course, I think the shoes might be the most promising keeper in this whole fix. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and giving this a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.